GA4 has a lot of powerful features that can help you get the most out of your analytics data. These tools and features are designed to help users make better informed decisions based on the information collected from their websites and mobile applications. So let's look at some of the best tips and best practices for GA4. Tip number 1, define your objectives and KPIs. Before you start setting up GA4, it's important to have a clear understanding of what you want to achieve with your analytics. What are your goals? What are the key metrics that you want to track? Having a clear set of objectives and KPIs in mind will help you make sure that your GA4 setup is focused and effective. Tip number 2, enable all relevant GA4 features. GA4 offers a wide range of features that can help you track different aspects of your website performance. From tracking custom events to monitoring your website speed to integrating with Google Ads, there's a lot that GA4 can do. Make sure to enable all the features that are relevant to your goals so that you have a complete picture of your website's performance. Third, use GA4's built-in conversion tracking. GA4 built-in conversion tracking makes it easy to track important actions on your website such as form submissions and more. With conversion tracking, you'll be able to see which of your marketing campaigns are driving the most conversions and which pages on your website are the most effective at converting visitors into customers. Fourth, use the GA4 debug mode. The GA4 debug mode is a powerful tool that can help you troubleshoot issues with your GA4 setup. It provides real-time insights into what's being sent to GA4 and helps you identify any errors or missing data that may be affecting your reports. Number 5, regularly review your reports. Make sure to regularly review your GA4 reports. This will help you stay up to date with your website's performance, identify any trends or patterns, and make data-driven decisions to improve your website's results. 6. Customize your dashboards. Create custom dashboards that align with your business objectives and display the most relevant metrics for your team. 7th, utilize custom dimensions and metrics. Custom dimensions and metrics allows you to track customer data that is not available in GA4 by default. You can create custom dimensions and metrics to track specific events, goals, and attributes of your website. 8th, use cross-device tracking. GA4 allows you to track users across multiple devices, giving you a more complete picture of your customer journey. This can help you understand which marketing channels are driving conversions and how users interact with your website on different devices. 9th, implement tagging best practices. Properly tagging your website is critical for accurate tracking and reporting. Be sure to tag the buttons, forms, and links on your website that you want to use and use descriptive and meaningful names for your tags. And finally, utilize GA4's native reports. GA4 comes with a number of built-in reports that can provide valuable insights into your website performance. Take advantage of these reports and use them to inform your decision-making and optimize your website. So there you have it, some of the best tips and best practices for getting the most out of Google Analytics 4. And that's a wrap on the complete Google Analytics 4 tutorial for beginners. I hope you now have a solid understanding of how to use GA4 to track and analyze your website data. Remember, the key to successful data analysis is having accurate and organized data. And with GA4, you now have the tools to make it happen. Keep practicing and experimenting with the platform, and soon you'll be a data analysis pro. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and until next time, happy analyzing.